Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join a game in Among Us. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To join in a game in Among Us, go ahead and open up your Among Us application. Once the application loads, you'll end up on this page. From the main menu, select Online. Once you reach to this page, you can select either public or private option. To join into a public game, tap on Find Game under Public. Go ahead and select one of the group you'd like to join into and give it a tap. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to join into your game. Wait for a few minutes until all of the players has joined in, and that way you'll be able to join into a public game in Among Us. You can also join into a private game by tapping on enter code at the bottom and enter the code that you receive from the host. After you are done, tap on the next button, and that way you'll be able to join into a game in Among Us. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.